How often do you guys sneeze? Once an hour? Twice an hour? Or even 3 times and more an hour? I know from personal experiences that sneezing is very exhausting. However, this little gadget right there is the perfect solution for your daily sneezing struggles.
When you put this spray in your nose, the annoying, ticklish, foreign bodies are automatically ejected without the sneezing process. Sneeze away, no more Achoo, no more bless you.